Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 6th of May. And first of all, national news. Delhi received over 200% excess rainfall in pre-monsoon period so far. COVID no longer a global health emergency, World Health Organization. President Draupadi Murmu visited Simlipal Tiger Reserve in Odisha. Poems, songs, and acts rally in Shanti Niketan in support of Amartya Sen. The national capital has witnessed a spate of rainfall in the last few days. Air Force 24-hour operation to rescue 192 citizens from crisis hit Sudan. Over 500 people from violence hit Manipur took shelter in Assam. And now international news. The coronation of King Charles III and his wife Camilla is set to take place in London on May 5. UK's ruling party suffered losses in Rishi Sunak's first electoral test. Russia said Kremlin attack impossible without US knowledge. Force concrete action. Hindu temple in Sydney vandalized ahead of PM Modi's Australia visit. 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit central Japan. No tsunami alert. S. Jaishankar remarked in Pakistan minister's presence the channel of finances for terrorist activities must be seized and blocked without distinction. S. Jaishankar welcomed Pakistan Foreign Minister at regional meet SCO in Goa. Now sports news. Let them fight their battle. Saurav Ganguly on ongoing wrestlers' protest. KL Rahul rules himself out of remainder of IPL 2023 season and World Test Championship final against Australia. Babar Azam scripted history by claiming a huge world record during the 4th ODI match between Pakistan and New Zealand. Catherine Skewer-Brunt announced retirement from international cricket. And Aryna Sabalenka has entered Madrid Open final. Now news related to business. Tribunal to hear insolvency request against SpiceJet next week. Sensex Nifty tank over 1% after deep losses in HDFC Twins. India seeks permanent solution to food stock holding at trade body meet. Markets fall in early trade amid weak trend in US equities. And news related to science. 2 new planets being formed spotted 200 light years away from Earth. Scientists discovered leftovers from the universe's very first stars. And that's all in news. Thank you.